you know it don't matter anyway.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Forever Day here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a hair tutorial on something I like to call my lazy wash and go. The reason why I call it lazy wash and go is because this is when you don't have time to actually do a full-on wash and go, like when you need to get up early and you know you're not going to have time to do your hair. This is actually the night before, so this is kind of like how I prep it or whatever. But yeah, I just call it my lazy wash and go. Alright, so for starters, I'm just going to be wetting the hair, and I typically do this in the shower, like as if I'm taking a shower to go to bed. Next step is, do y'all even have to ask what kind of conditioner I use? Like seriously. But I'm just going to be using a glob. When I say a glob, y'all, a lot of conditioner, and I'm just gonna disperse that through my hair. What is going on? I'm gonna disperse that through my hair, and try to like finger detangle as well. I want to make sure to get it all up in my hair. Like when I tell y'all I use a lot of conditioner, I like to make sure that my hair is moist. Making sure to finger detangle because you don't want your hair to be like all nappy or anything, and my hair tends to get pretty nappy if I don't moisturize it and detangle it. And I usually use my hands, but if you like to use like a brush or something like that, you could use that to detangle as well. Once you finish finger detangling, I like to put my hair up and get it out of the way, and then I like to continue to taking my actual shower. And then I take it down and then rinse it out. And you guys know I never rinse my conditioner all the way out, I only rinse it halfway out. So that's what I'm about to do. Then you want to go ahead and scrunch up out all the water. When I say scrunch, you want to scrunch it up. You don't want to like squeeze the product out. You kind of want to scrunch your hair up so you can keep the curl pattern. And then I just put it in a little bun, and then I'll put my microfiber towel on, and then we're done. Once I get out the shower, my microfiber towel is usually soaking wet. You probably can't tell, but it is pretty damp right now. But yeah, so then I'll take that out. At this point, my hair is not like dripping soaking wet. The towel kind of absorbed all that, but it is damp. So I'm just going to be taking my mousse, and if you don't use mousse, you can use like your gel, or maybe one of your favorite styling products, but I typically use the mousse because it kind of hardens the hair. And since this is my lazy wash and go, whichever product that you use last, and that's the product that I would be putting on my hair. And this kind of just hardens the hair to keep it in place because I'm not putting all of the other products that I normally put in my hair. If you have another microfiber towel, I would go ahead and put a dry one on, or like I love to use my Big Giant t-shirt. I don't use another microfiber towel even though I have another one. I feel like the t-shirt will soak up all the extra water better. I'll put this on because I want my hair to be somewhat drier when I'm going to sleep, because nobody wants their pillow to be all soaking wet. After like 45 minutes to like an hour, I go ahead and take that t-shirt off, and it's pretty soaking up most of all the water. My hair is semi-damp right now. And I'll go ahead and put my hair inside a pineapple, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put my satin bonnet cap on. And this little mushroom head is going to bed. The next morning, I'll take my hair down, and it was pretty much all the way dry. The only part that wasn't like super dry was the middle, and that's pretty understandable since it is in a pineapple. Once I take it out the pineapple, I kind of like to shake my hair, kind of like, I know it looks like I'm shaking it a lot, but that's what I kind of like to do. I like to shake it to get it in place. I don't want to wet the hair to kind of mess up the curl pattern, so I just kind of shake it and fluff it out with my fingers. And then now for the edges, this is my all-time favorite styling gel. They put coconut in it. Y'all know I love coconut for my hair, so I use that one. And if you do see a little body in the back, that's my little niece, Kyla. Just in case you're wondering, you're like, I see somebody moving back there. Yeah, that's her. But yeah, so I'll just go ahead and do my edges. So you can do your edges or your baby hairs and stuff regularly. And right now my hair is air drying since it is out of the pineapple. The middle can dry, so that's kind of what it's doing right now. And then I'll kind of take my wide tooth comb and kind of fluff the middle out. That was air drying, so it's not flat. You kind of want some volume and stuff like that. And that's the finished look. The curl pattern is a lot more fluffier and it's a lot more free, just because I don't have all the extra products that I would normally put in my wash and go, and I do kind of feel like it's day 3 hair. Like day 1, day 2, like your hair's still defined, but then when day 3 comes, it's still defined, but it's kind of like getting to that point where you need to redo your wash and go. So I feel like this is kind of like automatically day 3 hair, like the first day, if that even makes any sense. I'm not sure, but yeah, I really enjoy this hairstyle when I know that I'm not gonna have time in the morning and I still want to wear my hair out. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye.